Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to unban people from the Discord server. So if you have banned someone on the Discord server and now you want to unban that, so how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Discord and log into your account. After that you have to open the server in which you want to unban someone. So let's suppose this is the server, and you have to click on the three dot on the right top and go to the settings. From here, now simply scroll up and here you will see different options. On the last one, you will see bans. So here you will see a list of the ban people. Simply you have to select that person you want to unban, and this is the way to unban people from the Discord server. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.